The sandias of central New Mexico are rich with bird life. Including raptors. If you're a white-winged dove, this is where the Jaws music begins to play.
It's a breezy evening in the back. I'm David. I try to make my garden welcoming for wild birds. There's clean water, abundant seed, and a little shelter. There's a thrasher pair nesting in that cholla. The spot where I filmed at Cooper's Hawk is about 12 miles behind me, as the raptor flies. A few months ago, I caught a glimpse of something from the front window. By the time I got out here, the first thing I saw was 3 doves flapping full steam to the southwest. I scanned eastward, looking for the reason.